How to set dark mode on Snapchat. So firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Snapchat app. For that, you need to open App Store in your iPhone device. If you own an Android device, then you need to open Google Play Store. After opening these apps, go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Now look for updates that may be available for the Snapchat app. If there are updates available, then update those. If not, then that means that your app has been already updated. So now you can go back to your home screen. After which you need to scroll and navigate to Snapchat app. Then open the app and you will see an interface like this. Now you will land to the recording page of Snapchat. From here you can click photos and videos. At the top left corner you will see your profile icon. So simply tap on that and your profile page will be opened. In the profile section you will see an interface like this. At the top right corner you will see a setting gear icon. So tap on that and your settings will be opened. In the settings, scroll down and you will see an option called App Appearance. Now in the App Appearance, you can set your display settings. You can set it to light, dark or custom. If this option isn't available in your Snapchat app, then you can go back to your settings. Open settings in your device and scroll down. Now you will see an option called Display and Brightness. Now here at the top section, you will see a light and dark mode. Simply set this mode to dark. So this is how you can set dark mode on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.